Problem on the combinations. First problem, a person has got 12 friends of whom 8 are relatives, the remaining are friends. In how many ways can he invite 7 guests such that 5 of them may be relatives? Here, total how many friends? Total friends 12. In that, relatives 8. Remaining 4. Here 12 friends can be divided into 2 types. 8 members are relatives, 4 members are friends. In that, 5 of them are relatives. We can choose 5 from the relatives. Total, how many guests we have to invite? He wants to invite 7 guests. 5 from the relatives means remaining 2 from the friends. So, number of ways can he invite 7 guests such that 5 of them are relatives, equal to 8C5 into 4C2 equal to 8 factorial by 8 minus 5 is 3 factorial, 5 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 3 into 2 into 5 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancel, 5 factorial cancel, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are. Here 2 factorial means 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 8 sevens are 56 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 5 are 30 plus 3, 33, 336. Next problem, how many diagonals are there in a polygon of 8 sides? Here, how many polygon has, first question, polygon has 8 sides. Here, how we can form the diagonals? If we take the vertices, 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. When we can join the 2 points, then it makes the line. We cannot take the adjacent vertex. Without adjacent vertex, we can join of the other vertices. It makes a diagonal. Okay, that is the thing. In this, so how we can joining of the 2 vertices. Total, how many are there? 8 vertices are there. 8 sides means 8 sides formed by the 8 vertices. So, number of diagonals are formed by 8 sides equal to, in 8 vertices, we can select 2 vertices, minus, in that another 8 sides are not, we are taking the joining of the borders. We are not taking the 8 sides. Why? Because those are only sides of the polygon, those not are the diagonals. So 8C2 minus 8. So 8 factorial by 8 minus 2 is 6 factorial into 2 factorial minus 8. 8 into 7 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, minus 8 equal to 28 minus 8 equal to 20. From the 8 sides, the number of diagonals are 20. In the same way, polygon has 10 sides. So number of diagonals with 10 sides of the polygon in this also, if any, to form a diagonal means joining of the two vertices. From 10 vertices, we can take the two vertices. In that, we are eliminating the 8, 10 lines, side lines. Those are not diagonals. So 10C2 minus 10, 10 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial minus 10. 10 into 9 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 5 are minus 10. It is equal to 45 minus 10 equal to 35 is the answer. In how many ways can a committee consisting of a chairman, a secretary, a treasurer, and 4 ordinary members can be chosen from 8 persons? Total, how many persons are there? Total persons 8. Okay. In that, 8 persons are there. In that, we are choosing one chairman, one secretary, one treasurer. Okay. And remaining 4 are ordinary. 4 persons are ordinary. Here, the condition of the committees with different chairmen, secretaries, treasurers count as different committees. Here, first we can select from the 8 persons, 1 person is chairman. Okay, so number of ways to form a committee. Equal to, from this, first we can select the chairman from the 8 persons, 8C1. 1 is selected and we keep aside. Remaining, how many are there? 7. In that, we can select the 1 secretary. Next, in the remaining persons, we can select the treasurer. Okay, 3 are selected. Okay, remaining persons, how many are there? 5 are there. Okay, from the 5, we are selected 4 ordinary persons. 5C4 equal to 8C1 is nothing but 8 into 7C1 is 7, 6C1 is 6 into 5C4 is 5 only. 5 factorial by 1 factorial into 4 factorial, that is 5. Multiply. 8 7s are 56 into 6 5s are 30. It is equal to 0. 6 3s are 18, 1, 15 plus 6, 1, 16. 1680 is the answer. Next problem, that first one, in how many ways can a student choose 5 courses out of 9 courses? If 2 courses are compulsory for every student, here total courses 9. In that 2 compulsory, 2 are compulsory. 2 are compulsory means every student must choose 2 subjects. Compulsory means remaining how many? Remaining 9 minus 2 equal to 7. From the 7, already we can choose 5 courses. In 5 courses, 2 selected. Remaining choosing courses are 3. Okay. From the remaining subjects, from the remaining courses, we can choose the 3. Therefore, in this, what are the number of ways? The number of ways can a student choose equal to 7C3. Okay. that is equal to 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 equal to 35 is the answer. Next, second question. In how many ways can we select a cricket 11 cricket team? Here, cricket team 11 from the 17 players. Total 17 players are there. In that, we can select the 11 players. In that, 5 players are bowlers. The remaining are batsmen. In that, each cricket team must include 2 bowlers. We can select 2 from the bowlers. The remaining 11 minus 2, 9 from the 12. That is 12C9. Therefore, number of ways can we select a cricket team equal to 12C9 into 5C2. That is equal to 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 9 factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Why? Because 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. It is equal to 12 into 11 into 10. 9 factorial cancel. 3 2s are into 5 into 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 6 2s are 22 10. 100 into 22. 2200 is the answer. In a college team, there are 15 players. Total, how many players are 15 players, of whom are 3 teachers. 3 teachers. In that, 3 teachers are there. Remaining 12 are some students or players are there. Players. Okay. In how many ways can a team of 11, we can choose 11 players, be selected so as to include the first case, only one teacher. Only one teacher means compulsory one teacher. In that, from the 3 teachers, we can select the one teacher. Okay, number of ways to select of only one teacher is equal to 3C1. From the 11, one is choosing here, the remaining are choosing from 12 players into 12C10 equal to 3C1 is 3. 12C10 means 12 factorial by 10 factorial into 12, 2 factorial. It is 3 into 12 into 11 by 2, 2 1s are 2 6s are 3 into 66. 6 3s are 18, 1 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 198 is the for the first case. In the second case, number of ways to select a team at least one teacher. In that, at least one teacher. At least one teacher means from 15 players, in that 3 teachers are there. The first case is we can choose the one teacher from the 3 teachers remaining from the players. The first case is 3C1 into 12C10. The second case is at least means we can choose 1, 2, 3 also. Second case is 3C2 into 12C9. One player is less. Plus, if 3 teachers are selected, then from the players, we can choose the only 8 players. Okay, then total 11 players it will occur. 9 plus 2, 11, 8 plus 3, 11, 10 plus 1, 11. 3C1 is 3. 12C10 means nothing but it is 66. Plus 3C2 is also 3 into 12 factorial by 9 factorial into 3 factorial. 3C3 is 1 into 12 factorial by 8 factorial into 4 factorial. It is equal to 198 plus 3 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial cancel. 3 into 2, 1 3, 1 3 cancel. 2 ones are 2 6 plus 12 into 11 into 10 into 9, 8 factorial cancel. 4 into 3 into 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are. It is equal to 198 plus 660 plus 55 into 9. 9 5s are 45, 4 9 5s are 45 plus 4, 495 equal to 13, 10, 6, 9, 15, and 12, 1253 are the number of ways. 13, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 is carried, 10, 16, 25, okay, 25, correct. 4 plus 2, 6, plus 6, 12, 13. 1353 is the number of ways. Next question. If NC10 equal to NC14, find the value of NC20 and 25 CN. We have take the relation NC10 equal to NC14 n factorial by n minus 10 factorial 10 factorial equal to n factorial by n minus 14 factorial into 14 factorial. Cross multiply n factorial into n minus 14 factorial. 14 factorial can written as 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial equal to n factorial into n minus 10 can written as n minus 10, n minus 11, n minus 12, n minus 13, n minus 14 factorial into 10 factorial. 10 factorial, 10 factorial cancel. N factorial cancel, n minus 14 factorial, n minus 14 factorial cancel. Here 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 equal to n minus 10 into n minus 11 into n minus 12 into n minus 13. What is the, if we can choose the n equal to 24, if we choose n equal to 24, 24 minus 10 is 14, 24 minus 11 is 13, 24 minus 12 is 12, 24 minus 13 is 11. So it is the factor notation is there, that's why I'm taking that. Okay, here n is clearly 24. And we can simplify this n into n, it's too long. That's why I'm choosing the number, how we are getting the left and right factors simply. Okay, then n equal to 24. What they are asking? NC 20, 25C, 24C, 20, 25C, 24. 24C 20 means 24C 20 equal to 24 factorial by 4 factorial into 20 factorial. 24 into 23 into 22 into 21 into 20 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 20 factorial, 20 factorial, 20 factorial cancel. 4 ones are 4 6 are 24, 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Now we can product the 23 into 22 into 21 equal to. That is 21 twos are 42. Or 21 twos are 42 plus 4, 46 into 23. How much? 10,626. Next, we can find out 25C24. It is equal to 25 factorial by 24 factorial, 25 minus 24, 1 factorial, 25 is the answer. 24 factorial, only factorial get cancelled, 25 is the answer.